To perform a detail strip, you will need a small punch, a pair of pliers, and some vodka. To perform a basic field strip, take out the magazine, make sure it's empty, and pull the trigger. Pull the slide back 1/8 of an inch, and pull down on these 2 tabs right here till they're right at the bottom. Then the slider just comes off like so. That is a basic field strip. First we're going to disassemble a slider. Crikey. First, pull back on the firing pin until you hear a click, and this will expose this piece of plastic right here. Push down on this while simultaneously pushing back this cover right here. It is under tension, so keep your thumb on it. Now you can remove the firing pin. And you can remove the extractor piston, whatever you'd like to call that. Next, when you push in this safety block, the extractor is going to fall out like so. The block is also under tension, so keep a thumb on it. And that's it for disassembling the slider. The frame. First up, we're going to take out this rear pin. And we're going to take out these 2 pins, always left to right. So start with the top one first. This top one comes out first and goes in first as well. Now this is a generation 4, but they still haven't fixed the problem of getting this pin out. So what you will need to do is apply pressure to it, and you'll need to wiggle this backwards and forwards, the slide release. That will take some practice. Okay, now remove this anvil. I think it's called an anvil. Take out the slide catch, and the rest will come out like so. This is now fully disassembled. Don't panic if when you take out the trigger assembly, the entire thing pops and comes apart like this. I'll show you how to put it back together in the next video. The last thing we're going to remove is going to be this trigger disconnect. Mine is from Ghost Inc. Since it's a 3.5 pound trigger pull. What you're going to do is just slide these pliers under here like this. You may need a screwdriver. And simply pry it out. Like so. Before I end this video, I forgot to take apart these. They come apart extremely easily if you ever want to go into that kind of detail. Spring pops off the piston, extractor piston, and to take apart the firing pin, you've got to pull down on this spring until the spring cups come apart like so. Yeah. Then you can just simply pull out the spring cups. Place them down here. And the rest will come apart.